Tell me the make, model of your bike.
Okay, this is a 1978 Triumph T140 Bonneville.
Okay. How long have you been riding?
About 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
Did you always have Infinity for trams, or did you have a different bike?
Yeah, so I've always loved the old Triumphs.
Yes.
And 6 or so years ago when I was looking for my first vintage bike,
Yeah.
I was looking for a Triumph, but a couple people told me start with a Honda.
Yeah.
Because they're a little more reliable and easier to deal with. So I got an old Honda CB750,
Okay.
which I still have. And eventually I got a Triumph. 2 years after that, I got a 64 Triumph 650. And then this guy came to me in a partial trade that I did on another
So
bike.
this is bike number what?
This would be bike number 6.
Bike number 6?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So is it going to be your last bike, or are you going to keep this for a long time, or are you planning on looking for something else?
So no, I'm gonna. There are always new stuff. There's always new stuff coming in.
Yes.
This guy I sold him 2 weeks ago, and he ended up coming back to me. You know, it turned out it wasn't the right fit for the new owner.
Okay.
So with these old bikes, you know, you kind of got to find. It's like adopting a dog. You got to find the right place to, right home for them.
Right home
So
for
I
them.
was
Yeah.
actually really happy that it came back. So,
Yeah.
Because I was kind of missing it once. In a while.
Oh, so you're going to keep it for a while?
So I'm gonna hold on to it for a little while. I figure it's fate that it ended up coming back to me. So.
Yeah, it sounds like it, definitely. And I see that it's pretty easy to change the, I guess, the air filter, the oil filter, the oil, and all that. Everything is pretty accessible, correct?
These are, yeah, if you get a little bit of knowledge on these, they're not that hard to work on. Just because
Yeah.
you can get to everything, pull the tank off, and you can pull the top end off of this thing. And these carburetors are not the original carburetors on this. These are some eBay
Carburetor?
cheap eBay carburetors that I'm experimenting with.
Okay.
So, but they seem to work pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good. Are you from around this area?
Yeah, I grew up in Alexandria.
Oh, you're from Alexandria. Okay. So do you come to this event quite a bit?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Every time?
I try to get down here every month. Yeah.
Ah,